Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We are blessed. And you also know the story incomplete of King Mix-Up and on the beat. And as you can see on the screen, Busy Signal is not too pleased with this visa application he put out to Canada being denied. Yes, the immigration officer said that him feel like, but them feel like say Busy Signal are going to run off in Canada and not going to leave. When expected to. As you can see in front of you, that's what the person said. I am not satisfied that you will leave Canada at, the end of your, required stay. And the purpose for your visit to Canada is not consistent with a temporary stay, given, the obvious you have provided in your application. You see, man, I say, as you can see, them say something about a visitor's application, and something about, they not meet the requirements for Refugee Protection Act. You see, man, some people putting out the comment section where you think about that, because Busy Signal said, in response to the agent at the Canadian High Commission, he said, as a globally recognized Jamaican artist with an impeccable business track, no current police record of any sort from any country, with active visas from the UK, the United States of America, and Europe, I am calling on my country's authorities for support in addressing the injustice, prejudice, and racist response I received when the Canadian High Commission/Embassy denied my visa application, citing that I would not leave Canada. Putting out a comment section where you think about that, because the only thing I know about Busy, they get locked up for some things in America, dip, but was able to come back, you know what I mean? He's a big brand ambassador for like Coca-Cola and all of these things. And as you can see, him get back him things to all of these countries. So giving them an update. Well, go on, put in the comment section where you think about that. Okay, people, okay, I have a little more update for now on Paparazzi, Apple, and J Icon. These are their exact court documents from yesterday or 2 days ago. You see what I said? They are now charging them as I joined something, or joined, I think, some new thing to combat retail organized theft, when it's 2 or more people, them can join them, you see what I say, just basically everything that's been said yesterday, them not really have no evidence yet to present to the defense, but, they're telling, the prosecutor what happened, They got caught from September to October, November 14th, camera and all of this stuff. You see, man, say, as you can see, Jay was away in Jamaica, so that's why when them come back, them did all them in New York, JFK, on a Connecticut warrant. You see, man, some people putting out the comment section where you think about that. Now, like I said yesterday, they expected to go back to court in a couple of months in March. You see, man, I say, and them time there, it should really get messy. You see me? But anyway, just to give you a quick update while going for that squad, let's proceed for the next. No, just want to give you a little update on this cheese situation, because you can see, she asked me, for assistance, you see me? And we did that, you feel me? But some people is talking about her situation. Me see them mention her name, and some shelter business and some money. So let's take a listen to what going from that to go on. Then we proceed at the end.
Cheese. They come into the shelter later. This lady, she come in there later with care packages. I tell her to put your name on one, Sharon Oakley, and tell her you tell you.
Just figure out point, my love.
Did you get any lunch? Can she have a little spending money or anything?
No, you can't.
Nothing.
No,
So magical can't send her no money.
No. No. She can't get nothing. You have to give it to the shelter, and then the shelter give it to everybody.
Oh, I love that for you, Cheese.
Yeah.
I love that for you. That's sweet for you.
You have to spread the blessing. One person can't get the blessing.
Oh, Cheese, that's so good for you.
But Cheese,
where is Cavell or Chavel? Where's on call her?
I think.
Let's see, babe.
I forgot to take like a pretty.
Oh, so she's used to that. Nah, Chevelle not there online. We don't know where Chevelle gone. Chevelle must. When they send Chevelle stuff?
No.
Oh.
What's that?
Lion no sound
Another
weird.
back to make me leave and go in. I come in. Me not mix with people, you know.
No, who up here?
What the fuck?
Oh, what's
Nobody,
your trouble?
nobody not up here, Sky.
What's your trouble? That was such a
Me and my sister, them different. She felt not the girl who rob with mother money. Army and
No.
Whoa.
No, that's a cheat.
Why
Oh,
Sky
I
ever
know.
Yes,
bad?
that's
All right, guys. All right. Chevelle and Sky cause Chevelle and the one what he did with the J Kingdom Sky.
Oh, I the one that when me did bring down when the man in Batman in the place.
Yes.
So you want him turn friend now,
No,
sister?
but Sky, it wasn't that serious.
He never that serious, but you want our turn friend?
No,
No.
listen, Sky, listen, honey.
No.
We're gonna have to.
talk to us of
We're
Me
gonna
and I never really have
No,
no.
and they never
She
asked
just
us
sit up
to
par
say.
with cheese and get
Yes,
bribed.
they never
And
asked
then
us
make you
well,
say we know
well,
our business.
when she's this start go hard band down, she take away herself.
Say, no, she
Yes,
never,
when
but
Auntie
Sky
Dana and
was
cheese are
trolling
one.
her.
That's
but
why me run
Sky
up
did
on
not
her. She
troll
over
her.
cheese are going the most. We end up going like. She
Well,
Yes,
me
Sky.
understand what Sky has
I be what me watch him out
Alright,
of
me know you
the
understand. Me know you would understand. Me know you would understand.
I understand you.
Well, me steady with the matic. I when them think me nah look, me I look.
That's
Sky,
my
you
lever
know,
sister.
All the day when me go up on Chevelle and shoot him up. After I don't know where me I shoot him up for.
Cheese send you your
Very
crosses.
strange
Where you say
feeling.
cheese?
No cheese set up Chevelle.
No, sister. I see you know using the eyes
Me
and see what
so.
one. It day when me go up on Chevelle, what did I
So
go on
you
the
go
live over
come
there?
out. My sister, them have
She's
them
the
secret
damn
Sister, it day when me run up on Chevelle, what was going on Cheese live?
Me no cheese the damn Miami
I
with
remember
Varney.
said Cheese did have up one picture with Auntie Dan and I talk about Auntie Dan mouth and then he take it down and Chevelle up there laugh and I chat off her mouth and me run up on her. I saw me run up on
But
Chevelle.
someone gave her that photo.
I
to
remember
put
good
up.
how me run up. Me and Chevelle not have nothing. A loyalty me deal with. Me run up on Chevelle for no reason. Because me still like she
No,
go
but
against
Sky,
mother.
no, Sky, hold on there, Sky. Hold on there. We are back up. Yeah,
Back
mix
up.
up. Yeah, mix up Chevelle. Yeah, you did cause Chevelle the time when Cheese did there Miami with Varney.
No.
No other time
Because
this Sky.
when Chevelle did at Jamaica with the wedding sitting
That
on
the
her
same
head.
time there, at the same time that Sky. She had
Well, me never know about me no know nothing about
No,
that.
but
And
she
she's
never-
not call
but
me.
they
Listen
never
what was
followed
going on
yet.
the live.
they
Sister.
never followed.
Let me see if me find a screen recording. Of course, them did follow.
No,
What are you
Sky,
saying?
that's July.
Auntie
July
Dana and
that.
Cheese did a war and done war and the
No,
day Cheese did a live with
Go and
one.
find the screen recording. Yeah,
Find the
mix up
screen
it.
recording. Cause me have
No,
the
yeah,
screen
mix up it,
recording.
man.
too.
Because that was July when time Chevelle and J Kingdom they Jamaica. It was Sumfest and Sumfest keeping at July. Cheese and Don because Cheese did there in Miami with Varney that time. They know. You don't remember?
Sister, when I went up on Chevelle, Cheese was not in Miami. When I went up on
Shy, you not
Chevelle, is
remember,
when
man. You not
Chevelle did their
remember.
Jamaica and have on one wedding something on her
Yes,
head.
that was
and
in
said she gonna
July.
leave the man.
When they got Sumfest, that was in July, Sky.
I to be honest, I don't even know if them did a got no son.
Yes, but I
Me
did
know-
July. I did July.
Oh, well,
Sky.
me know the day when me go up on her, when the day when me go up on
Yeah,
Chevelle,
mix
and the day
it
when
up.
she have on wedding something
All right,
on
sis,
her
me you talk
head.
about that. Can I go show you? Yeah, mix up.
Show
it.
me, find it.
Yeah, mix up it. I did
Me
July
find
that.
it. Me cannot mix it up, but find it and show me.
Yeah, July that man. Wait till you run upon them. I did July that man. Remember said mother birthday at August. She and Cheese name follow too.
Mother and Cheese followed after mother birthday.
Yes, and at the
Right.
time with Chevelle
After
was
mother
July.
birthday. So when me go up on Chevelle, before mother birthday or after mother birthday?
Before Sky. I did something. I remember say I troll it. I troll her, you know.
No, you
I
not
tell
troll
her
her,
say
me
she do
not
with
troll
Batty
girl.
man.
Me not troll girl. You have to do something for me run up on you. Me not just
Yeah,
run
but
up
you
on
not-
girl.
but
You have
you
to
remember-
violate and me run up on you. Listen,
But I don't
sister,
know, but
me
you
not run up
Sibling.
on girl. You have to do something for me run up on you.
Sibling.
And then listen, me tell you, the only girl me
Sibling.
cause Cheese sister a girl on my platform with
Okay,
Cheese
you
come
can't
on my
mute your sister
platform.
them.
Wait, no sister, when Cheese used to there in my box, cause Cheese is my moderator, and somebody we come up on my box and the man Cheese have sitting and the man Cheese start cuss, and we help Cheese cuss them differently. Me never click my live and class no girl for Cheese.
No, but
It a
that
public
was Cheese
platform.
live that day. That was Cheese live that day.
Yes, sister, me know a Cheese live, but Cheese never called me for cut Chevelle. Cheese
No, but me
never
I
called
say-
me for cut
yeah,
Chevelle.
I don't know,
Chevelle
you know, but yeah,
violate,
Chevelle did that-
and me put
that
her in
part.
her place.
Because
And that
Chevrolet
one.
a cuss, but remember, and then
Yeah, she did have on one when
what
sing pan her head.
when she and the
There
man
was,
in the hotel, they in the hotel together.
Tired,
yes.
Changa, what you want?
Yes, me remember like last night to put the car. Me still not mix with her. Any girl me shoot up, me and them not the same place. So when she a come, me a go and I come in. But
Anyways, Lisa, I
hey,
am still
sister,
waiting
to
for
say everybody
you.
wake us Auntie Dana fall.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, every single one.
I want no seat. I mean, I want to see if
And
my
the
favorite
y'all want
Dana
see
seat.
Sky. Lisa!
Lisu reach.
Okay,
Hey,
Morning,
Lisu
me
come
I
here. Let me
call
tell you.
you.
okay,
Lisu come in
okay,
at the new group. Guys,
okay.
the new group. I'm putting on my bio because Lisu
Play,
acting in a new
play the
group,
voice
guys.
note for Sky when they call Sky name.
You tell me name.
Yeah.
Play, make me hurry up, make the group. May I make the group faster. Play.
And that's why I come up here this morning. I come about my family
Sky,
of your fat.
Lisa said she hate you.
Nah.
Yes.
Why? Because she going a
Okay, if
career
you're
name,
admin
go
in a
by
new group, add me,
police
please.
uniform and put it on video call me. I mean no false
At
seat. That's
who?
why she hate me.
Martin, if you add him, it's like it'll kick out Martin too.
Martin in there.
Oh, the new
New
group, the
group
new
him a
group.
talk for new.
Oh, Martin, why not every? You wanna keep up with that group, yeah? Yeah, play the voice
We
note for
build a new
Sky.
group now, so we go share the
You're
link
okay
and
if
the
if
original
you're
group.
admin in a new group, you can add me, please.
Yes, play the voice note. Give them a taste of what I have up here ranting about.
Yeah, play him let me hear. Cause I don't know
Share it,
what
Sky,
one.
me add the night.
He's just a bad girl. Play him let me hear what one.
Okay, play the next one. Here the girl wicked. Here a Sky.
Oh, hold on. Me try to find a new link. I'm soon do that. Hold on.
But yeah, come up. Yeah, forever you where she a go?
Stop it, Pop. You find it. See, there's somebody find it. You find it. You approve now. You go get them and press touch pan down now in New York. Give them a register and a phone number, make them call her back. Go at the station, walk and go and make your report. You stop waiting for people for the things.
Yep. Yeah, and she want to stay in the box, girl. You have to go. But me not do nothing. Me not do nothing. Me not do nothing. Me not do nothing.
What a lying ass. And I cannot stand a liar.
I release to that is just a
Bitch.
tip of the iceberg. More
That
is
is
yet
just
to
a
come.
tip. Uno not see nothing. Uno just hear a couple things uno have to see. Yo, you think you hate Sky Diamond and done yet? When me done with it, yo, me can't talk.
No, this is not after. Before. That are before. She did this back when Cheese and Donna argue. She said that. She
They're
said all
dated
of
back
these
to
things.
September. These things are dated back to September.
No, it's before. Before the when they argued, when they had the argument. No, babe, no more. Yeah, that was
Sister,
before.
you see the picture where Cheese did post with Auntie Dana the Jamaica dress?
Yeah, we know say
And
she.
she sent it. Yeah, we got
She
all
sent
the
all of the picture
information.
them.
And that's the reason why me I say, but you did that, where you do your saw? You know for there your saw? Where you do Auntie Dan back?
As she posted. We know we get all of the proof.
Work, guys, it's a work. Lisa pum pum coming like where they with me there on favorite and figure tell me I cook and me go in the kitchen and the kitchen smoky,
No,
rice is
Sky.
burn up. It
No,
pack burn
Sky.
up.
Sky,
It and
wait.
so Lisa
Fix
pum
it,
pum no.
Sky. Another one, they fix it.
Fix it. Go back again.
It's kind of.
Lisa pum
My
pum
sister who
burn up.
dance. The one you like to see what
Burn
she dance.
up.
Yeah.
Fear butch Lisa who crutches not feel look so though.
Nothing look so for your butch. You
As
want
a
to hear
butch,
him?
The new link,
as a butch when I use them crutches.
But in clearly use it for my dash belly.
He might use this. Shan carry him go dash your belly. Me never want to talk so much things, but me not have no choice.
look, Sky.
Yeah?
Come girl. Come good if we tell you happy
Guys,
birthday.
go with lemon.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, we know a lot of, undocumented immigrants, get taken advantage, But my advice to, the undocumented ones that's working and have to use people things, They're letting you use their things because them know you're responsible and you can get the money, right? So when you do those things now, make sure you always have a direct link, to pay landlords and, certain bills, you see me? Because them know you're responsible because most people name that you use is not responsible with money, you see me? Anyway, people, let's give them a quick update on it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Please.